In this video, I will show you how to adjust brightness on your LG Smart TV. So, if your LG Smart TV is too bright or too dark, then it is very important that you actually adjust the brightness so you do not affect your eyesight. To adjust the brightness of your LG Smart TV, what you want to do is to use your remote control, and then you just want to scroll over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your LG Smart TV over here, and then you just want to go ahead and click on it. Now what you want to do is to just scroll down until you get to all settings over here. Click on it as well. Now from picture settings over here, you want to scroll to the right hand side and then just scroll down until you get to advanced settings. Now you're going to see brightness, and what you just want to do is to go ahead and select it just like so. And from here you want to go ahead and select panel brightness. Now you want to go ahead and either increase or reduce the panel brightness, which will automatically increase or reduce the screen brightness of your LG Smart TV. So by reducing it just like so, you can literally notice that the brightness of my LG Smart TV is beginning to reduce as well. And also if I go ahead and increase it, you also notice that it is actually increasing as well. Now finally, LG Smart TVs has one feature that is known as energy saving mode, and basically once the energy saving mode is turned on your LG Smart TV, your TV brightness will reduce and it will consume lesser electricity. Now according to LG, this is actually a very good way to also reduce the brightness of your LG Smart TV. And to do this, what you want to do is to just go over to the previous settings on your LG Smart TV, and then you want to come over to general. At this point, click on it. Now you want to scroll over to the right and then scroll down just like so until you get to energy saving option over here. Click on it, and from here you can go ahead and turn on or turn off the energy saving mode on your LG Smart TV. Now like it suggests, by turning off the energy saving mode, your TV will consume more electricity and the screen will actually be very bright. On the other hand, by turning it on, your TV will consume less electricity and your LG Smart TV screen becomes darker. So basically, that is how to adjust the screen brightness of your LG Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.